Hello, the bracket's all done, so spread it up. Right, this is the OP polish now. Here, what I spoke to you before. So, you unseat the boat's nuts, it polish this deck. Let's do it. So you spray it all over. Also cleans as well. On the skirt, everywhere. Now we get a cloth or a bit of tissue like this. Now we start. Oh, we've got loads on there, so we're alright. So keep on polishing it all up. Right over. Smells nice. If you want any, please contact me. I do sell this. So, turn it over that way. And it's very good for underneath mowers as well. Once you clean them, then you can put this on, because it makes it easier to scrape underneath to get the grass off. So, there you are. So, that's what you see, it gets the dirt off as well. So it's a cleaner at the same time. See that? So it does everything we want it to do. So there we are. Let's hold it there. Right. Get a clean rag. Now we go over again. Now we cleaned it. Portion it all out. So what have we got? A nice clean deck. Right, for underneath now. So a sample. So what you do is, when you've been cutting grass, it all gets dirty around the edge, doesn't it? And sometimes it can be hard to scrape the grass off. So you need to scrape it like that. So you get all that off like this, yeah? This is just a sample what I'm showing you. So once you get all clean, so you put this cleaner spray on, polisher, like this. Again. Spray it all on. Load of it you need. Get a cloth. Go right around it to cover all the area, the deck and the skirt along here where it hovers. Go here, right there. Even these bits here as well. So once you've done all that, so that's a coating. But now we need a second coat. Just leave it on like that. So it's all covered everywhere. The skirt, keep it sprayed on. So what I'm saying, next time you cut the grass, yeah. So when you cut the grass, is all the grass will stick on there. But there's a secret to this. Now we've got the polish. Now if we scrape it, it will come off easy, dead easy with a scraper, no effort, and it will come off clean like that again. I hope this is the OP. It just cleans, it does everything you like. I swear by it. If you want any, you contact me. Please. It's brilliant stuff. I use it all the time. Look at this. wonderful. Anyway, thanks for watching, bye.